Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we'll be checking out another project and this is Casper AI. Okay, so we are on the website guys, cspai.com. So it is not casper.com guys, take note of that one. So the first AI project on Casper Network. Okay, build AI projects with a single prompt, disrupt a 50 billion market. Okay, so you could check in here. Okay, we have here, I don't know if this will be like your NFT Terminator, okay? And then if you scroll down, Casper offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to lead an untapped market, okay? Rich Terminal, we have single prompt data research, including diagrams that explains tech parts on chain data, Twitter and Discord data. On-chain terminal, with a single prompt, you could fetch an on-chain data you wish, and then dev terminal with a single prompt, it gives you production ready code. So you could click in here guys to buy, and then Casper AI Research Terminal. The Research Terminal is an AI-powered platform designed to generate high-quality institutional-grade research reports from a single user prompt by interacting real-time data from multiple sources such as blockchain, on-chain data, financial markets, and social media sentiments. It creates comprehensive data-backed research papers. The tool leverages advanced natural language processing or NLP to generate structured reports which include key sections like analysis, okay, findings and recommendation. It also generates visualizations such as charts, graphs, and technical diagrams to explain complex data, ensuring that insights are accessible and easy to understand. Okay, so let's check for this one. Casper AI agents are leading the next era of blockchain. The rise of AI agents is reshaping industries powered by technologies like MLMs or machine learning models, advanced automation systems, and decision intelligence frameworks. So, create your own agents, farm real KOLs, and then trade and earn. Okay, the multi-chain AI protocol Casper, oh, this is more than a marketplace. It's your chance to own the industry's most advanced AI protocols before the rest of the world catches up. So unmatched AI features, multi-chain power, guys. Okay, early movers win big. Okay, so you could discover in here. If you click, guys, this will be like your marketplace, which is coming soon. So let's go back into this one, guys. The partners, okay, trusted partners are driven innovation alongside with, of course, Casper, Asteroid Capital, Ape Terminal, FJ, I think this is FJORD or FJORD, Chain GPT, PAL AI, Cookie Tree, and then Shibu. Okay. And then let's check on this one, guys. Let's go back on to discover this one. I think are also okay coming up on the builds. Okay. And then yeah. So basically, guys, that is just the website as of the moment. And okay, we could discover more. So let's check on the airdrop. Okay, airdrop. Please connect your Casper wallet to continue. So there is an airdrop in here, guys. All you need to do is to connect for a Casper wallet so that you could check for the airdrop in here. Now going back to the website, guys, the marketplace, we have checked that already. But first, before we go into docs, guys, let's check on their social media, okay? On X or Twitter, guys, they only have 17K followers, okay? And you could check for updates that are in here, probably some events, and there could be, guys, events like giveaways and some sort of discounts. We don't know, so make sure, guys, that you follow their social media in here. Now, going back, guys, into the website, we have, okay, the docs. So if you click on the docs, guys, okay, we have it in here. We have the introduction. Casper AI platform is a transformative ecosystem that enables users to create, customize, and tokenize AI agents with ease, built on the secure and scalable Casper blockchain. Casper AI enables or empowers individuals and businesses to deploy tradable AI agents within minutes, each backed by the native currency AI agent. By blending advanced AI capabilities with Casper's blockchain features, Casper AI agents redefine utility in both Web3 and real-world industries. These tokenized agents are fully customizable, stakeable, and tradable, offering unparalleled opportunities for automation, analytics, and monetization. Okay. With integrated multi-chain compatibility, performance-driven staking, and a dynamic marketplace, Casper AI unlocks the future of blockchain-powered AI, fostering innovation and creating a thriving ecosystem for users and developers alike. This document provides a detailed roadmap, features, and insights into how Casper AI is set to become the leading platform for tokenized AI agents, bridging the gap between AI technology and blockchain ecosystems. Okay. We can check as well in here the executive summary. The vision is to enable anyone to create, deploy, and trade personalized AI agents instantly, allowing users to earn passive income from their creations. Whether it's building AI agents for automations, analytics, or personal use, users can unlock new income opportunities while contributing to a rapidly expanding ecosystem. So, Casper AI bridges the gap between AI innovation and blockchain accessibility, ensuring both experts and newcomers. And then let's check as well on the key values. Key values, guys, instant AI agent creation, passive income through royalties, tokenized assets with built-in liquidity, data-driven personalization, evolved by staking, multi-chain interoperability, deflationary token model, and then scalable multi-agent ecosystem. Now, in terms of the market overview, you could read it in here, guys. AI blockchain, okay, it is also set in here. And then why use Casper? Okay, Casper stands out in the blockchain market as a rapidly growing ecosystem designed for developers, enterprises, and innovators. Unlike older chains like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, Casper's modern architecture prioritizes adaptability and sustainability, making it an ideal platform for AI-driven innovation. Okay. Casper's strategic positioning is untapped potential, upgradable smart contracts, low fees for scalability, enterprise-grade security, and eco-friendly design, community-driven growth. So you could read them all in here, guys. For this factor, just click again, guys, onto the docs from the website. Okay, problems and solutions. You could read them in here to dig deeper in terms of the project, customization features as well. Okay, you could read them in here. For your information, guys, agent upgrades, they are all in here. I know this will take a long, guys, so make sure to always do your own research if you are participating to such projects. And we also have here, guys, staking. Stake AI agent tokens. Users allocate AI agent tokens to their AI agents to initiate the upgrade process. Unlock features staking allows access to advanced capabilities, improving the agent's traits and utility. Track progress. A detailed analytics dashboard provides insights into the agent's performance, enhancement, and market value. Reap rewards as agents become more capable, their utility and trading value increase, offering opportunities for both usage and resale. So, the staking-driven evolution system ensures that Casper AI agents remain adaptable to changing needs and technologies. Unlike static assets, upgraded agents grow with ecosystem delivering lasting value to their creators and users. This makes them a long-term investment with unparalleled potential for both utility and profitability. So, agent yield generation or AYG is also in here. We have creator royalties, fractional ownership, we have marketplace trading, staking rewards as we've mentioned earlier, the staking, and then Casper AI platform. So you could read them all in here, guys. And we also have the tokenomics. So for the team, it is set for 11 or almost 12%. Liquidity is set at 17.49, marketing 7.95, advisors 3.95, and then strategic partners, okay, you could check them all in here. Take a screenshot, okay, KOL, 7.95, public round, F Jord, public is 1.41, rewards 5.56, and then airdrop to Casper ecosystem, guys, that's 2.38. So meaning you could participate for the airdrop and get get a value plus the unlock is 100% guys if you participate for the airdrop, and it is set to have a value that was raised at 950,000 as of this point. So make sure guys, if you want to participate and join for Casper AI, again guys, if you're going to do this, always do your own research. So this has been us reviewing for Casper AI. That's it for me. See ya.